So that's all there. And now I have another feature definition there called top mesh. Now we'll see that other side is going to show just that top. So piece of cake. Did you get all that? You can walk through it together. One more time. So we're going to start. I can't delete it. We're just going to make a copy, and I always start with the final because it's doing everything else I want. In the end, once I create my terrain model, these don't have to stay with that terrain model because inherent to the corridor, the feature definition on the corridor can change back to whatever I want. Inherent to the corridor is the existence of the top mesh, so it's there regardless. So I'm going to create a copy of any of my feature definitions. So we'll create a copy and paste them in there. We're going to call this top two. So there's the top two. In the properties of that, it's all under the display setting options. So right here on the left, there's my top mesh display. We're going to simply turn that on. You may not have a feature definition for it, which is fine. It's just going to come in white. I'm going to want to change that feature definition on the corridor back to something if I need to show cross section. I'm just going to set that top mesh to true, and then I typically turn off the components display here. So I set that to false. So when we turn this on, we don't get the green or the gray underneath it. And that's it. And now you can apply that feature definition wherever I need. Yeah, Bentley stopped delivering this for some reason in the default. So a lot of agencies that are starting to build ORD aren't adding it back in. You won't get a configuration from me that doesn't have this. So I also named my I don't like this design final language. So I actually tell you what I'm doing. I'm doing a 10-time multiplier with cardinal points or whatever it is. That's me. I'm not saying it's the right way, just the best way.